The heavily marketed schemes can be found in just about every neighborhood. They are promoted with promises of participants gaining more than triple the money they invested. The pyramid scheme is also disguised as the Blessing Circle. In the circles, there are various groups which are named uniquely by the admins. The group members are asked to invest as low as $3,000 with a promise of earning $35,000 or more. As part of the deal, members are asked to recruit other investors. Over the past few months, the Competition and Consumers Affairs Commission has received inquiries about the pyramid schemes from consumers, and while no official complaint has been made against Initiators, the Commission is imploring Guyanese not to partake in such ventures. Alison Parker, Communications Officer of the Commission, spoke with Nightly News via telephone on Wednesday.
This thing depends on the recruitment of new members to bring money and new members. And at some point, that pool collapses. When that pool of potential recruits dries up, right, you wouldn't have that infinite number of people. So the people who are affected are the people at the bottom. The first set of people, yes, they can give the great testimonials. They benefited and, how they benefited. But it gets more difficult as time goes on to recruit persons.
Part 5 of the Consumers Affairs Act of 2011 on the subject of pyramid selling outlines that a person shall not promote or operate a pyramid selling scheme, and any person who contravenes the subsection of this act commits an offence. Parker highlighted that recruiters of the scheme are preying on financially vulnerable individuals who are impacted by the pandemic. She noted that once the Commission receives a formal complaint, further actions will be taken against those persons. The first step before placing perpetrators before the court is to engage them.
What we seek first to do is to communicate with the holder of these schemes. We'll first seek to ask them to desist, write them to desist. We have a board, or the Commission has a board that can summon those persons to hearing and give a ruling on what should be done. Should they fail to follow that, then there are further action.
Parker maintains that any plan that includes monetary commission for recruiting additional distributors is an illegal pyramid.
In the end, may not earn, you may lose. So we're advising you to be careful. They're disguised under so many names. Blessing Loom, Blessing Circle, whatever name it is disguised under, it is still a pyramid scheme if you're asked to recruit other members and provide the funds you're recruiting other members.
The Commission intends to work along with the Guyana Police Force and other agencies to tackle this issue. Efforts to contact Public Relations and Press Officer Assistant Commissioner Royston Andrews Jr. for a comment on the subject proved futile. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.